Hello guys, and welcome back to another lippy review. So I am super excited for this one. This is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Lip Pop. It is a lip balm. It is in the color Watermelon Pink, which I am not sure if there's more than just this one color or if this is the only shade they make. I want to say it's the only color they make. I've never seen anyone with another shade of this. That's why I feel like it's just one. But if I'm incorrect in that, please leave it down below and correct me. I am open to being corrected. But yeah, so this stuff retails for $22 normally. It's currently on sale for $15 at the time of filming, both at Sephora and on Glow Recipes website. So it's 0.10 fluid ounces, or 3.1 grams. And let's see what all this is. Jesus, that's a long ingredients list. I'm not reading all that off to you guys. Don't even worry. But Watermelon Glow Lip Pop is nourishing and smoothing. This scrub to balm is concentrated with watermelon coconut sugar and watermelon flower AHA to hydrate, smooth, and tint the lips. No rinse necessary. To use as an everyday treatment, reapply throughout the day for an immediate smoothing effect and a plush lip look. Apply 3 coats to build up color. To use as lip prep, apply as a nourishing, smoothing primer to keep your lipstick looking fresh and flawless all day and night long. That side, I think, is in French. Okay, well, I honestly didn't realize it was a scrub. I thought it was just a normal lip balm, but that's okay. So, here is what... Ooh, that is a chunky monkey. This is what the packaging looks like. I like that it's got the little swirl in there. It gives me vibes back to, like, the Baby Lips days. We have our logo on this side. It's a nice, thick, clear acrylic on it. But yeah, it feels very sturdy. Actually, it's a little hard to open, like, it's so sturdy. I thought, like, for a second maybe there's a magnet, but no, it's just really, really good grip. I guess you get what you pay for in terms of quality. Whoa. Okay, totally not quite the appearance I was expecting out of it, but like, it's got, I guess, I don't know if that's the sugar in it, or if that's like the fruit extracts, but either way, it totally gives me like popsicle vibes, which is nice. It's like the shape and style of a lipstick, so I'm just like, this has got all sorts of things going on at once. Oh, that smells so good. Anyway, we will come back to that. But the packaging... Well, it doesn't seem to have the safety bump in there for the turn wheel, but I think it has enough friction in there to probably not, well, maybe not. How much space is there between? Yeah, actually, I take it back. Like, no, wait, no. We're good, look. It literally can't. No issues on packaging. I was gonna dock a point, but then I was like, wait, let me test it. So anyway, that's all good. It is synthetic, not organic. Just from my quick glance over of those ingredients, I'm like, oh, yeah, we're not reading all of those, but it is synthetic. It's not limited edition as far as I know. It's not medicated, no SPF. I guess its special feature is that it's also a lip scrub, but yeah, that scent, oh my god. It's very much like a sweet watermelon candy. Not overwhelming, but like, honestly, almost like a natural watermelon candy. If that makes any kind of sense. I am going to swatch on the hand. Like, one swipe is clear. Like, literally nothing. But then... I'm really not going to consider that tinted. Like, you really have to work at it to even get that. I'm like, I'm not really going to call that a tint. But anyway. Oh, that smells heavenly, though. Okay, let's see what it feels like. Yeah, I don't know that I would consider this a scrub. This is a lip balm. Like, it's got, like, the softest of soft little bumps in there. I'm like, if anybody thinks that's gonna exfoliate anything, you're crazy. But let me smooth down that tip that I wore off. Okay, so you can feel, like, some sugar crystals in there. But at the same time, they also really just, like, dissolve hella fast. I'm trying to tell if it actually tastes like watermelon or if this is psychosomatic from smelling it and my brain trying to fill in the gaps of being like, yes, it tastes like watermelon. I'm like, I don't think that it actually does, though. I think it just is that vibrant of a scent to where it's tricking my brain. But God, it smells good. Yeah, I don't think it actually has flavor, to be totally honest with you. But, you saw how much I rubbed it across. There's, like, the tiniest hint of tint, but it's, like, this on the hand. So I'm like, is it really? Are we really counting that? I don't know that I'm counting that, but you can if you want to. But I'm like, no. This is like those lip smackers that were never intended to be tinted, but, like, if you rub them long enough against your lips, enough wax will rub off to, like, kind of create a tint. It's like that. That's the vibe I get here in terms of a color. But anyway. Yeah, the sugar's gone already. I haven't even done the drink test, and it's gone. Do my lips feel any smoother for it? No, but... goodness. This is vegan, cruelty-free, free of parabens, mineral oil, sulfates, phthalates, and drying alcohol, in case anybody was curious. Looking for a leaping bunny. Do we have a leaping bunny? I'm not seeing one, but it does say cruelty-free, so make of that what you will. But anyway. It is very shiny and lovely, though, either way, whether or not we're counting that as truly tinted or no. I do like that a lot. And for whatever tiny amount of coconut may be in there, I don't feel any itchiness in my throat starting at all, so I think I'm okay with this one, thank God, because I think I would cry after spending what I did to buy that. I think I would freaking lose it if after all that I couldn't even, like, use it. Like, I don't mind taking a gamble on ones when they're cheap and then having to give it to my mom, but one like this, I'm like, I think I may have paid full price for that, so I just really wanted it, but I didn't know there was coconut, so I would have possibly rethunk buying it, but now I'm kind of glad I didn't do that, and I did buy it, since it seems fine. So anyway, since I'm not really counting that as a tint, I'm not actually going to do, like, the kiss test. I don't think it'll be enough to really transfer. If it does transfer, it'd be such a small amount that it's negligible. I am going to do the drink test. Yeah, that just looks like a normal lip balm mark. That doesn't even look like color on the glass, so if you were looking to see if it was going to transfer, no, it didn't. And it passed the drink test with flying colors. I'm going to give it the wow factor. I really like this. It's pretty overpriced for what it is. I will be honest. Even on its sale price of $15, it's overpriced. It's a lip balm. Calm down. But, like, other than that, the fact that it tries to market itself as, like, a lip scrub subtly, like, if you read the packaging, but not in the marketing for, like, what it is in its name and stuff, it's like it's having an identity crisis, but at the same time, it also doesn't really live up to what it claims with the scrub. I am just gonna dock a point for all the confusion, and for the fact that it's not doing that, but I'm gonna just count that all in as 1 point. That aside, I think those are my only issues. So for me, I'm giving this an 8 out of 10. I still really like this. This is really good. I don't see myself buying it twice, to be honest, but I will very much enjoy it while I've got it. So, anyway, those are my thoughts on it. If you were thinking of picking this one up, Apparently this would be the time to do it while it's on sale. So anywho, that's it for this one. So as usual, you know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe, hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload, leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my eBay, my Reddits, everything and more, it's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Anyway guys, till next time, see ya.